Hi everybody, I haven't done a video for a little while, so I thought I should do a new one. And as you might have noticed, I am back downstairs in my basement bathroom. I think when I moved upstairs, it just became so busy. The kids were always popping in, or my hubby or the dogs, and I wasn't really doing videos. So I thought, well, I'm gonna move back down to the basement and do some more videos on the lashes so you guys can see how they go on. So here we go. The first thing I'm gonna do, so I think I've shown you guys this in the past. I bought a little black pen. It's like a pen liner from just Shoppers Drug Mart. It was very inexpensive, but it helps me get the liner into the corners because I'm not super great at that because I did not use liquid eyeliner at all ever before I started using magnetic lashes. So first thing I'm gonna do is put the liner on, and I'm just gonna look in the mirror behind. Actually, I've got my mirror here. I'm just holding it so hopefully you guys can still see. And I'm just putting it right, a very faint line just into the corner. See, just so, because when I was trying to do it with the magnetic liner, I was putting it everywhere, and that's just because of my inexperience. I know there's a lot of ladies that are very good with the brush, but me, not so much. Okay, so I just put a little bit of, just like, again, this is just a drugstore brand liner just into the corners, and I got a little bit over, so I'm just gonna take a Q-tip. I have lots of Q-tips around. I just wipe that top part off a little bit. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to put on today are the 9 to 5. These are probably our most bought lash. They're our everyday lash. They are easy and fun to put on. And today I'm going to use the classic black liner. This is our original liner. We also have the gold one, which is the Made in USA, which is better if you have some sensitivity or you want to have the no liner look and put it straight onto your lashes. So this is the classic black, and you can see it's got a fine tip to it. So again, I'm going to just bring my mirror, and then we're basically just going to do a line across the liner, the lid, close to your lashes, as close as possible to your lashes. And I usually start kind of in the middle because I'm not super steady with my hand, but I am getting better. And I just meet it up to that other line. See if you can see that. And then, so I've got one line on there. I'll do the other side. I've gotten much better, you guys. I used to be getting liner everywhere. I'm like one that usually has liner on a crayon, so, or a pencil, not a crayon. I never used to be the biggest makeup person, but I have to say eyelashes have made it really fun. Okay, so I have one on right now. I'm gonna let it dry for 2 minutes, and like I said, always keep Q-tips close by because trust me, you're gonna have little corrections, and it's really easy just to take it off. Okay, so 2 minutes. Waiting the 2 minutes, so I thought I would show you what I have on my eyes. This is the Stark Naked. I put this color all over the base, and then right now I'm just using really the two colors. This color I put just here and into the inner crease of my lid just to give it a little bit of an eye-opening pop. And this color here I also use to bring out my eyebrows a little bit. So this is called the Stark Naked palette, and it's amazing. We also have a new foundation. It's just been released, and I just ordered it. It's a liquid foundation. Very, very excited. So as soon as that comes in, I will show that to you as well. Okay, I'm going to do another line. It's about 2 minutes. So you just want to do 2 lines, you guys. Grab my mirror. So I'm going to do a second line. And I just blinked. So just to show you, look, I blinked. So I just want to grab, and see, I quickly cleaned that up. So don't feel bad if you make a mess. I probably made every mess there is in the book. Trying not to blink as much. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 2 more minutes. So that's the 2 minutes, and I'm going to take my 9 to 5 lash. And when you get them, so for me, I always trim one anchor off because my eyes are wider this way than this way. I mean, more up, I guess. So if your eyes are wider, you may not need to trim one, but I always trim one anchor off the end. And when it comes, I always give it a bit of a bendy when I first get it because it comes in this package, so it tends to be shaped to that, but you want it shaped to your eye, so I was kind of give it a bit of a bendy. And then you just put it on. And you can see it's already stuck right to the inside. There we go. Look at that. I love it. Just a bit of a flirty eye. 9 to 5 is one of my favorite. I love all of them, actually. I love Boardroom, but look at the difference it makes just from one eye to the other. So, yeah. My hair's sticking up like crazy. All these baby hairs. Kind of funny. I don't know if I've shared this with you guys at all, but when I was going through stuff with my parents both passed, and my mom passed away from ovarian cancer, and my dad passed away from Alzheimer's. So I'm the only daughter, and it was a bit of a stressful time for me because I was close with my parents, and I lost some hair. I didn't realize it until afterwards that I had lost hair, I guess just due to the stress, but now it's all grown back. But see, I have little baby hairs that stick straight up, but I have to say I'd rather have baby hairs than little bald patches I was getting. So if you guys ever have that happen, reach out to me. I can tell you some of the tricks I did. But put the other one on. You can see how it's grabbed? You can see on the inner side there, it grabs right away. And there we go. Awesome. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day and hope this video helped you.